Hello. How much do you know about the Marvel Cinematic Universe? Can you correctly answer all these questions about it? You will have 10 seconds to think before you see the answer. The last question is only for the smartest. Be honest with yourself and don't cheat. Studies prove that mistakes are the best way to learn and create long-term memories. We have a very special guest for today's video. I think you already know him.
Hello, Joker fans. I'm here to test your knowledge about Marvel movies. If you make a mistake, I'll take you for a ride with me. Are you ready? First question. In most Marvel movies, what objects are being searched after? The answer is Infinity Stones. Next question. Who is considered the leader of the Avengers? The answer is Nick Fury. Next question. What is the name of the central element in the movie Black Panther? The answer is vibranium. Next question. What is the civilian name of the hero Hawkeye? The answer is Clint Barton. Next question. Who is Groot? The answer is Vin Diesel. Next question. What is the name of Thor's brother who is most loved? The answer is Loki. Next question. Which has played Star-Lord? The answer is Chris Pratt. Next question. What is the civilian name of the hero Black Widow? The answer is Natasha Romanoff. Next question. Before becoming a hero, Dr. Strange practiced which medical specialty? The answer is neurosurgery. Next question. What is the name of the device that Star-Lord uses to listen to music? The answer is cassette tape. If you're enjoying this content, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and create a routine of watching one video a day to keep your brain active. Which popular catchphrase did secret enemies recite in the Marvel to identify each other? The answer is Hydra. Next question. If Scott Lang is Ant-Man, who's the Wasp? The answer is Hope Van Dyne. Next question. At the end of the first great saga in cinemas, what is the name of the main villain? The answer is Thanos. Next question. Complete the sentence. Pepper Potts is to Tony Stark what is to Steve Rogers. The answer is Peggy Carter. Next question. Before we saw Paul Bettany act as Vision, we first heard him as which character? The answer is Jarvis. Next question. Which 80s actor's care got a reboot from the Marvel franchise? The answer is Robert Downey Jr. Last question. In which new film did Valkyrie fly for the first time? The answer is Thor Ragnarok. What did you think of this quiz? Don't forget to comment below and subscribe or my bad friend will come after you. Wait, he's already here. See you later.
Finished. Did you manage to answer the last question correctly? Write a comment below. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel to receive the best videos, and always keep your memory strong and have a sharp mind. Thank you and see you next time.